Third around jumper kay Vincent, wala. Rebound kay Jelson. Jelson pa rin. Jelson. Making it move. Foul by Carlo. 10-8. To Mark, taking 2 points by Mark. 12-8 in favor of Team B. Chan to BJ. To Paul, 2 points by Paul. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Mark, 12-10. Ime to Mark, to Ron. Ron, making his move. Ron, nawala ang bola. 12-10 in favor of Team D. 5 minutes and 52 seconds. 12-10 in favor pa rin ng Team D.
Kung dito din.
Mark to BJ, making his move. 2 points by BJ. All 12. Last possession before change. 2 points. Change. 14-12. 14-12 in favor of Team D. To Vincent. Taking 2, Vincent. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jelson. Wala na basahan sa aking head. Wala doon. Nabasahan. Nakuha 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 14-12 pa rin mga kaibigan. BJ to Carl, to Vincent pa rin, is still by Mark all alone. 2 points by Mark Castillo. 16-12 in favor of Team D. Carl, taking 3. Wala, rebound by Ime. Intercepted ulit. Na kay Mark all alone. Block by Carl Gutierrez. Sino ang tumulak? Sino ang foul? Sino foul? Foul by Colaclan. Oras, 4 minutes and 11 seconds. 16-12 in favor of Team D.
Sorry po.
Bawal na nakahubad. Magdamit kayo. Magdamit. Bawal lang nakahubad. Magdamit. Score 16-12 in favor of Team D. To Ron. To Dice. Taking. Dice to Mark. Taking long 2. Wala. Rebound by Carl. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Ron. Oras. 3 minutes and 28. Ime. Pass to Jelson. Hooper. 2 points by Jelson Terry. 18-12 in favor of Team D. Grabe. Ang chemistry ng Team D. Carl. Touch pass to Carlo. 2 points by Carlo. 18-14. Intercepted by TJ. Ano tawag? May kasuntok ba? Toss coin. Toss coin na lang. Toss coin. Traveling ka. Bayad tayo. Traveling daw. Bayad ba? Bayad. Traveling daw. BJ na Spider-Man. Traveling daw. 18-14, apat lang. Oras, 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Mahaba pa yan, mahaba pa. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Mark. To Ime, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Carl. Ang taas doon. Carl. Christian. Christian! Wala! Rebound by Christian pa rin. Christian pa rin! 2 points by Christian. Oras, 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Carl, wala. Rebound by Jenson. Rebound by Jenson to Dice. Score, 21-16. Ime, 2 points by Ime. Masangkay. 23-16. Foul by Aaron Arbus. Oh, 1 minute and 39. Ball. Drop pass to Vincent. Intercepted by Johnson. 1 minute and 26. 23-16. Lumipad, 2 points, 25-18 in favor of Timney. Last 1 minute, 25-18, Dice, lumipad, wala, rebound by Carlo. Block by Jenson to Vincent, wala pa rin, rebound by Vincent pa rin. 44 seconds, Vincent. Wala, Tukar, 2 points. 25-20, 5 na lang. 37 seconds. Dice, Tukar, Mark.
Anong pangalan?
29 seconds, Mark. Mark to Jenson, 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Ano yung play? 2 points, Byron. 15 seconds. 3. Wala. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,